Hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma and I have the Evolve, I think it's E-V-O-L, Evolve, mica powder review. It's a concept for all, so let's open it, shall we? I use mica powder and lipstick and different things, my paintings, whatever. Mica powder is like almost gold. And here, and I know that I've done other ones, but this I like, I wanted it because I like the concept of it. I'm going to open it, I think. When in doubt, get the scissors. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. It's a beautiful day. It's a fall day out there already. I told you it's going to be an early fall. But anyway, back to the mica powder. So I have before me, I believe it's 20 colors. Got copper brown, got silver black, got silver gray, rich violet. This is a nice color, violet. Can you see that there? Iridescent indigo, rich blue, royal blue. Hope that you can see that the light's not really good today. I don't know why. Lake blue. It does look like a lake. Green gold. Apple green. Jade green. Green. Lemon yellow. Then yellow. Orange. Rose red gold. Oh, that looks beautiful. Rose violet gold. Pink. Iridescent red. And then rich red. So those are the real colors and everything. And I think that those are going to work out really, really good. We'll show you when I start to do some art with them. So I love you. Take care. I'll leave all the description down in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.